media, culture and journalism is diverse enough that it can account for various students' tastes and passions and give them the skills that they need so they can tailor the course to the things that they want to do. We are keen for students who are motivated, particularly in not just seeing media for what it is, but thinking critically about the way that it's constructed, who's backing it, the kind of messages that are embedded within those texts, and really pulling them apart critically. Right from day one, we have a whole host of industry professionals that host things like masterclasses, so they'll get first-hand experience of what it's like to work in the creative industries. In the second and third year, students will have work experience and professional practice modules that are based around working with real-life partners and stakeholders within the creative industries that will allow students to further develop their CVs, to develop those soft skills, to develop their social networks, and so that when they're ready to leave the course, they're already ahead in terms of their competitors within the marketplace.